Some
assembly.
Be quiet. Take off your hat and stay a while.
jingle bells, my head fell off the other day. Can't you feel that this is real? My body ran away. Hey! Seriously, where's my body?
I don't know. I can barely keep track of mine.
She's probably sleeping somewhere.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
Be sure to stay ahead of the game and subscribe to see all our latest videos and keep up to date.
And be sure to check out all our other great videos. Somebody's hair's in my mouth.
It's not mine.
It's not mine.
Well, I'm not a redhead or a blonde last time I checked.
Well, yours is the longest.
Maybe come back.
You're just jealous.